Do you see this cow, this chicken, this hen? Every day, millions of animals suffer terribly in farms and slaughterhouses around the world. And now it's easier to help animals than ever, because Animal Equality is launching a matching gift challenge. This means that every pound donated to Animal Equality will be doubled. If you donate 10 pounds, it'll become 20. And if you donate 20 pounds, it'll become 40. You will have double the impact. This is thanks to a generous Animal Equality donor who strongly believes in the work that Animal Equality does to help animals around the world. And they also believe in you, knowing that this generous support combined will impact millions of animals. And there is more good news. If you become a monthly donor to Animal Equality, your monthly donation will be matched for the entire year. What an incredible opportunity to help animals worldwide. Today, you can transform the lives of animals in slaughterhouses and farms around the world. You can help the mother pig that can't reach her baby. You can also help the mother cow that has been separated from hers minutes after birth. So please contribute to Animal Equality's Matching Gift Challenge by making a donation today. It'll mean so much to animals. Thank you.